Hi folks, welcome to Photo Tutorials. In this tutorial I'm going to show you how to create a transparent text. This is becoming quite popular with some of the gamers on YouTube, and what I want to show you is basically how they go about putting the banners together with a floating text over the top. So here I've got a type font here, which it's like a 3D effect, and as you can see I've got this font sort of mapped out here. This is for Kazza Games LOL LCS Highlights, who does a lot of the League of Legends stuff, and you can check out his website on YouTube. Basically it's the text over the top of two banners combined into one. So when you have one team versus another, you have each of the team's banners, and then you have the title of the game over the top, and basically this is how they do it. So we've got this text set here, and this type of text, as you see, it's just it's like a 3D effect around the edges. The centers are more or less left as they are, but I'm going to show you how we can enhance that and make it look as though it's floating on the top. So basically what we're going to do is I'll just move that box over to here. We have two layers open here. I've used this Durbar plate background, which is this metal effect here, just to show you how the effect can come through when it's finished. So basically what we've done is we've right clicked on that layer there, and basically I'll show you again. We right click it and we come on to blending options here. Click on blending options and it brings that box back up for us. Okay, so I'll move that box over there out the way so you can see what I'm doing. So basically we come up with this layer style box here. Now the first thing we're going to do is we're going to go to the advanced blending settings in this middle box here. And what we're looking for is we're looking for this little word here, knockout. It's defaulted none. We're going to go down and we're going to set that to deep before we do anything. Okay, so it's advanced blending, knockout, and then set it to deep. That's in the blending options custom menu. Once we've done that, we're going to click on bevel and emboss, and then we're actually going to click on it. Now, in the structure, where the style is here, we're going to have that set to emboss. Okay, we'll set that there. The technique we're going to use is we're going to set it to smooth, which is already set at smooth. You can got the choice of chisel hard or chisel soft and smooth. We're going to leave it set at smooth. The direction, we're going to change the direction, okay, from up to down. And as you can see, that's changing the way the text looks already. And we're going to leave that like that. Now, for the depth, it's set at 100%. What I'm going to do is I'm going to take this up to about 450%. Which is a little fiddly. Excuse me, there we go. We've got that set at 450%. The size is default at 1 pixels. We're going to take that up to 21 pixels. If I can. There we go. And the soften, we're going to set that to 6 pixels. And as you see, what that's going to do, that's just going to soften the edges of that text out, because I've put like a bevel on there, or an emboss if you want to call it an emboss. So we'll leave that set at that. Now what I want to do is I'm going to go down to this gloss contour box here, which has a diagonal line through it. We click on that, and I'm going to set it to that one there, and as you can see, it's just making that more of a transparent text. Okay, and then basically, just to finish this off, just to make it look as though it's floating over the top of the Durbar plate, we go to drop shadow and we double click that, and what we do is we just set the distance I think we'll leave the spread at 0 and we'll increase the size to about 16, and that's looking pretty much how I would like it. And then once we've done that, we click on OK, and if we just increase that, move that box out the way, there you can see sorry, you can still see all the Durbar plate underneath there, as you can see there. Just move it there. Yeah, you can still see all these little marks of the Durbar plate. It's still shining underneath, and you can just see how that emboss has just raised these edges slightly, and that drop shadow just lifts it straight off that background there. And basically that's how we create the transparent text to make it look as though it's floating over the top of a layer. So very really effective when you're doing those banners for the gaming channels, and as I say, it's very popular with the guys on the League of Legends circuit when they have them over the top of the banners. But check out this guy's website anyway, Kazza Games. Got some great stuff on there, and I hope this tutorial has been quite helpful for you. If you have any questions, please get in touch, and once again I'd like to thank you for watching the tutorial. Thanks, until next time, bye bye.